Can you remove defamatory content from Facebook yourself? You're wasting 14 days on appeals that fail, and here's how ReputationZilla fixes it in 48 hours. Here's the problem. Facebook rejects 76% of first appeals. Screenshot the defamatory post within 24 hours before they delete it. Report through Facebook's dedicated defamation form, not the generic flag button. Someone posts a lie about you on Facebook saying you stole money or committed fraud. Within 72 hours, your employer sees it, clients start asking questions, and your business reputation tanks by 40%. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla, to handle defamation removal fast before it spreads across search results and costs you real money. Most people fail here. They use the standard report post button and write a paragraph explaining why it's defamatory. Facebook's automated system can't parse long explanations. It flags your report as subjective opinion dispute and auto-rejects it within 6 hours. With ReputationZilla, we file through Facebook's legal request portal using the exact policy violation codes that trigger human review, not bots. File a formal defamation report through Facebook's legal portal at facebook.com/help/contact/144059062408922. You need the exact post URL, your legal name, and a one-sentence statement. Facebook processes these in 3 to 7 days versus 14 days for standard reports. Include the phrase false statement of fact in your description. That's the trigger phrase Facebook's legal team searches for. This is important. If Facebook rejects your first report, you get one appeal within 30 days. Attach a PDF with 3 things: the defamatory statement highlighted, the Facebook community standard it violates, usually Section 19 on fraud and deception, and one piece of proof it's false like a bank statement or contract. Appeals with attachments get approved 58% of the time versus 12% without proof. Here's the problem. Most people stop after one rejection. Your defamatory post stays live for months, Google indexes it, and it shows up when people search your name. After following steps 1 through 3, the post gets removed in 5 to 10 days and you can request Google de-indexing so it disappears from search results within 48 hours. If Facebook still rejects your appeal after you submitted proof, send a legal demand letter directly to Meta's registered agent. You need their exact mailing address: Meta Platforms Incorporated, 1601, Willow Road, Menlo Park, California, 94025. Attention Legal Department defamation claims. In your letter write this exact sentence: this post constitutes per se defamation under California Civil Code Section 45 and I demand removal within 10 business days to avoid further legal action. Companies respond to legal letterhead 3 times faster than portal appeals. Or skip all this and let ReputationZilla do it for you. We handle the portal filing, the appeal, and the legal demand in one package so you don't waste 30 days on rejected forms. This post constitutes per se defamation under California Civil Code Section 45 and I demand removal within 10 business days to avoid further legal action. Screenshot defamatory posts within 24 hours. File through Facebook's legal portal with proof attached. Let ReputationZilla handle removal end to end. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla at reputationzilla.org for the complete defamation removal guide. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.